I got it here, Mr. Box, show up in my fan mail. This is West, East, South, North, WESN. So this is an awesome knife and EDC gear company. I heard about them. They sent me a couple of things before. Let's see what we got this time. Wow, that box is packed with stuff. Okay. So first of all, we got it here, Maka Blade Titanium. Beautiful. Wow, check this out. So they sent me one of these long time ago. This is like a neck knife, and it's a high quality knives and EDC gadgets. Wow, love the packaging. Certificate of authenticity sticker. Okay, little pouch. Ooh, I love that. Check this out. This is like a little keychain knife, probably 1.5 inches. Did you see that flick? That's pretty like nice tension in here. Boom. So there's a flipper or there's a thumb stud. Personally, I like flickers better because I have big hands. I love that. D2 steel, titanium. So lightweight. Let's see what the balance is, where the finger would lay. So well balanced little knife right here, keychain knife. Look at that, really thick. It will take apart boxes easily. Also, it doesn't have to be a keychain. There's a nice clip. I like that one a lot so far. Let's see what else we got. Okay, QR block. Let's see what's about. Love that little boxes. Whoa, so this is it here, quick release. This is gonna be a really good one for sure. So it comes with 2 keyrings. So this one locks in this way, so it's a quick release. All I have to do is just gently push right here and it will release it and lock it back in. I love that. Gentle push, boom. But also I have to stick my finger into here to push it up, so it will not open by mistake unless I push it into it. But if I don't push it inside there, it's locked up. Very cool. I like it. Boom. Layer push and it will open it. So I could put a flashlight on one side and to the bundle of keys. That way I can remove it and use a flashlight or whatever. Okay, next let's grab something a little bigger. This one is Omen Blackout Titanium. So perfect to use it for unboxing. Love these little boxes. There's a certificate of authenticity, inspection. I like these little pouches. Wow. So this is more like an everyday carry knife. S35VN, very good steel. So the flick, kind of have to flick it right here and it will flick it all the way. Every flipper is different. This one is very smooth. I really enjoy this blade. I never seen one of this before. It's like a little rounded at the edge. Still have an edge, but very rounded. I like it. Definitely makes it very unique. Beautiful, all black. Very easy to close it, very smooth. And again, grab it, flick it, and I don't have to do the motion, because if I'll just flick it this way with a little finger like motion kick, it will open really easily without helping it out. So I like it flipper a lot. Kind of like a 3-finger grip, so perfect for everyday carry. Very slim, not too big. Love it. Okay, let's see what's in one of these little pockets. You see how sharp that knife is? Beautiful. Ooh, that is cool. So this is a little like a knife leather sheath or holder. Okay, what's in here? MT titanium. Okay. Again, I cannot get over this awesome packaging. Just pull it through. Ooh, I like that. What is that? A little clip or pry bar. Okay, this is more of a pry bar. Again, very well packaged, all paper. Okay, so there's a pry bar. I never seen a pry bar like that, with a little holder here, so I could put it to the carabiner and keys on it as well. There's a little screwdriver, bottle opener, and look at that skinny pry bar. I like it. So if I need to pry open like a paint bucket or like anything, scrape something off, just so useful. Very lightweight. I like it. Definitely a good item, very lightweight compared to other pry bars I've seen, and would be a really nice keychain for sure. Also this side probably better than this to like cut to tape and open boxes and packagings or letters. This is nice too. It's not like a razor sharp, but sharp enough to cut to some tape. Okay, let's do the biggest box at the end. What is this? Whoa! That is cute. So another knife sheath. Look at that logo. I really like that. Like looks like Viking wolf. I like it. Which knife does it go to? Let's find out. This one is CB titanium. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Okay, this is a carabiner. This is gonna be a good one too. So the carabiner without the spring, the way it is got this titanium like a zigzags level to where now it becomes flexible enough to kind of come back to the form, and it's not going to come to the other way. It has a little bit movement to the side, but not too much. So if I have to go through something to hook something up, would be super easy. Wow, I like that. There's a logo. Beautiful. So definitely a good carabiner for keychains and everyday carry items, or even like fishing and so on. Okay, next let's see what this one is about. This one is the biggest one. Ooh, doesn't have a name for it. Okay, let's find out. Open this up. Nice. Big one. Okay, what's in here? Ooh, no way. Is this a wallet? Yes, it is. Made in Sweden. Find your way. Serial number. What is this? I'm so curious. I guess this is a serial number for like a credit card wallet holder. And this is so unique. I never seen one like that before. First of all, there's a logo right here. There's some cash folded in half, put it in, and the cool thing is like there's one card will go in here and a second card will go in here, so it will take 4 cards, or we can also double up. So something that would like often used would be in here. ID and the other stuff will go in here, can go double up easily. That is awesome. I like wallets, and this is definitely a perfect size. Wow. Surprised. Did not expect to get a wallet. I like that one a lot. So I think this is could be for one of this, like a little protector. Fits in the wall. Boom, now I can put it on the keychain, and it's protected from hitting all the other things that is in the pocket. I like it. That is cute little knife sheath. Well guys, that's pretty much it. I'll put links in description for their website. If you guys interested, check it out for sure. I recommend. I'll enjoy this everyday carry gadgets for sure.